Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle Jones and I'm a makeup and hairstylist of about 18 years. I run my own business called Pure Beauty by Danielle and I specialize in weddings and special events and personal clients. Today I'm going to be showing you some new products that I bought, the Makeup by Mario collection and the Anastasia of Beverly Hills new collection, and some eyeliner from Lilly Lashes that is actually a glue as well. So I can't wait to review these products and show you some makeup technique as well. Stay tuned. As always, please subscribe, share with your friends, and like and comment below. If you have anything you want to tell me, I'm here to listen. Okay, so these are the products that we're using. The Makeup by Mario 3 palettes. This is the packaging that it comes in. This is the Master Metals. This one is the neutral palette. And this is the, what is this one? Metallics, Master Metallics. And then we have the Anastasia highlighter, the new diamond collection. This is her beautiful diamond highlighter. The Anastasia of Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. This is a setting gel for your brows that freezes them in place. And then the Anastasia of Beverly Hills Diamond Lip Gloss. And I wanted to try out the Lilly Lashes Power Liner. This is a eyeliner pen that is a eyeliner and lash glue combined in one. So can't wait to try this out. Okay, first step I'm going to do is put on Urban Decay's Eyeshadow Primer before I start, and then I will be applying the new palettes. This I like to put a little bit all over the lid just because it helps stick the eyeshadow on. And it holds it all day, all night. It's amazing. It's one of my favorites. I use it all the time. You'll hear me mention it in all my videos, basically. It's the best primer. Here I go, jumping right in. I always do a crease color first to start with. So I'm going to be taking crease brush and using one of the matte shades here. I think I'm going to use the one on the far left. I guess your left. Dab, dab, dab. And then you're going to blend in the crease. And it's always fun to try new eyeshadow palettes, but it's hard for me because I have a ton of them that it gets, you know, repetitive and redundant to keep buying new things. But his collection got such high reviews that I thought I need to try it out. So once I'm done with the crease color, then we're gonna have some fun and use some of the other shades. This, you just blend in the crease. I do all on the outside. Okay, let me tilt my mirror up more. All right, hopefully that's not in the way. Okay, then, now that I have my crease color on, I'm going to do, let's see, he's got all these darker colors, which, and these, you know what, I want to do something that matches my wonderful lime green shirt today. I'm thinking this cool yellow color from the Metallics palette might be fun to try because it's not something I'd probably wear every day. And I'm going to, let's see, mix it with, let me do a little under the eyebrow, like I'm going to take the lighter shade over here and do this one and mix it with this neutral. Okay, and then I'm going to do that just under my eyebrows to add a little underbrow highlight. What's great about this is it's matte though, so it's not super shiny, which is good. The eyeshadow seems really pigmented, which is exactly what I like. Pigmented eyeshadows that actually have color to them and come off on the brush. Okay, looking good. All right, then I think I'm going to do, actually, I think I'm going to do one of the browns, the darker brown on, I'm going to mix this one and this one. So we're going to do a little bit here and a little bit there. Tap off a little bit. And this is going to go on the outer crease. outer third of the eye, tight round circles. I definitely like the color payoff. It's really good. Now I just have to see if the metals work like they say they will. The metals also, there's a mixing medium that comes with the metals. Well, it doesn't come with it, you have to buy it separate, but it's a mixing medium to wet it down. I'm just gonna use Fix Plus for today from MAC to show you. Anything that really wets it down is gonna be fine, but his formula might be better with the shadows. Okay, a little brown out there. Okay, gonna reblend with a different crease brush into the crease. Make sure that's nice and blended and even. Okay, you guys can see that. Okay, then I'm going to do the yellow from the Master Metals palette. And this I'm going to do, like I said, with a nice flat brush. So I'm going to take a flat brush, dip it in, blend, 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 and get more on there. I'm going to wet it down with Fix Plus from MAC. Do a little spray on here. Spritz it and see if it should. Oh my God, yes it did. That's crazy. Look how bright that is. Can you guys see that? That is so bright. It's beautiful. My mic fell down here. Okay. Can you guys see that? That's beautiful. I'm gonna wet it again. Wow. Yep. That's bright. Okay. Wow. So pretty. Now, obviously, again, I wouldn't wear this color out every single day, but it's fun, and I never get to do a lot of fun colors anymore these days. So this is fun. Let's add some color to our lives. Okay, press, press, press. I'm going to take it to the outer, like take it to 2/3 of the eye and leave the remaining side undone. And that way I can blend in with my other shadows. And then I'm going to take it again and I want to do, actually, I want to do a little bit of the gold on the bottom. So I'm going to take the middle color, the gold, and do it copper tone on this little brush spray. And I'm going to dab on the bottom. Okay. All right, we got a little bit of that underneath. Now this might be more vibrant with his mixing medium, like I mentioned, but Fix Plus does a pretty good job of wetting things down and always makes them look really wet. So I think it's done a pretty good job. I'm going to blend a little bit more of the yellow into this bottom, just for fun, make it pop, make it fun. Okay. All right. Okay, there we are. Done and done. Now, I need to probably touch that up. Okay, then I'm going to use the Anastasia Clear Brow, Brow Freeze Brow Styling. This is like a brow soap, but it's a clear wax. So I'm interested to try it out. It helps feather the brows out. So we're going to see how this looks. I'm going to take a clean mascara wand. Whoa, a lot came off right there. So let me just try a little instead of a lot. Let's just see how this goes here. Okay, then I'm going to take it, I'm going to feather up, 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 up to get that feathered in-trend eyebrow look right now. Now, I don't have very crazy long eyebrows like some people do. Whoa. Okay, that worked. Do you guys see that? That really feathered them out. Wow. Okay, that eyebrow compared to that eyebrow. Totally different. Okay, now I'm gonna use another clean wand and do the other side because I don't want to get any brow powder in there. Okay, pulling up. Okay, that looks like it really freezes the brows in place. Crazy. Okay, it works. Beautiful. All right, then we're gonna do the lip gloss, the diamond lip gloss. Put a little bit of this on. My lips look glossy. Okay. Perfect. Then I'm going to use the highlighter from her, and this is the new diamond one, so it's really, actually really sparkly. And I'm going to just use a minimal amount of this because it always worries me to go crazy with highlighter because I don't like to emphasize my pores or go over the top. It can bring it out too much. So I'm just going to use a little and we'll see how this works. Not bad. It is a little bit yellow toned, which I figured since it looks yellowy, and this is a scratch on my eye from my baby this week. He scratched my face with his little sharp nails. Not like he meant to, but that's what you get when you have a kid. Okay. Okay, and then a little bit on the nose. Above the Cupid's bow. Okay. All right, like that. Then the last item is the Lilly Lashes Liner. Now this would be revolutionary for me if it actually works because it's an eyeliner and an eyelash glue in one, which has, in my opinion, it's never been made. Maybe there's another company, but I haven't seen it and I check all the time. So far I think this might be the only one. The magnetic lashes are really popular right now, but this would change the game for me because I haven't gotten too into magnetic lashes yet. So using this and taking out one step would be amazing. Let's try it and pray that it works, please. Okay, it's a pen. It's like a felt tip pen like some of the other pens are. So wish me luck. Okay. I just don't know like how long it needs before it dries. Because eyelash glue, I normally know how long to wait before it's ready. So with this, I have no clue. And it is a true experiment that you're witnessing. Okay, gonna do a little bit of, see if I can do a little bit of a wing here with it. Now it doesn't really smudge like a normal eyeliner would to get a wing. I can normally smudge the wing out. This one, not so much. So that's a critique so far, that it's not very movable. Okay, now let's see if we can get a lash on. See if it'll stick. I need to trim these. Okay, here we go. Now I got the glue all over my hand. Wow. Okay, it's on there. Wow. All right, that was easy. That's on there. It's way easier than I thought, and it's not that sticky. And it wasn't that hard to drag it to create a wing. That wasn't that bad. The tip is a little bit funky, but oh well. That works. Let me see if I can just draw one more touch-up line right here. That's incredible. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna do my other eyelash and then I will finish up. Okay guys, so I am all done. I put the lashes on, as you can see, and put some more, a little mascara on top and bottom. My critique of the Lilly lashes is I do think it works. I think it's a great eyeliner as well. I'm surprised it's not sticky and tacky. I don't know how it would feel if I got eyeshadow in it and I had to fix it, but I'm pretty impressed by this little pen. I do, not know how long it's gonna go for or run for. I don't know how long it's gonna last. So it might run out pretty quick compared to an eyelash glue. But if you want an eyeliner and a glue together, this is it. I think it's about $20, maybe $25. It's not incredibly expensive. So this one I do recommend. I like the Mario palettes as well. They're super pigmented, like I mentioned. And the only one I didn't do though was the Metal Master Metallics. So this palette I didn't review, but let me show you. The color is beautiful. Like, these colors are super pigmented. So I will have a lot of fun with this. Let me do one more. Yeah, they're really frosty. They have a little glitter to them, but not an overwhelming amount. So it's a nice, can you see that? A nice combination. So yeah, super excited for all of this stuff. Can't wait to try it on myself, maybe use some on my clients. It'll be fantastic. So hope you guys enjoyed. As always, have fun with makeup and practice and subscribe to my channel. Hopefully I can do this.
Okay, it's recording now.
Okay. Please God, let the words come to me easily. Amen. And I'm a makeup and hairstylist of 18 plus years. Cut. Ooh. I can do this. Okay.